Seoul Electronics has introduced two new in-ear headphones at CES with gait analysis that are designed specifically for runners. The Run Free Pro Bio and Blade come with built-in sensors and an accompanying app that will inform you on the fly if your run is off and how to correct it, the company says. While it is running, the sensors of the headphones track a lot of integral parameters to avoid injuries: cadence, steps per minute, step length, step width, vertical oscillation, the bounce up and down your body, head angle of inclination, position/time of flight, shock, maximum strength of the leg, balance and consistency. If any of these falls outside of an optimal range, the digital capacitor of the application will tell you in the headphones what to adjust to correct its shape. Ideally, this should help people who have to be aware of existing injuries and, in fact, prevent injuries from starting. Seoul Electronics had someone start up to demonstrate the headphones recording all these different movements, and indeed, I noticed that the system recognized when the runner took higher steps, kicked harder to get a harder impact, and when I tilted my head down. Of course, in addition to all these complex ideas, the application also tells you the basic measures you could expect, such as calories burned, time and distance you ran, and tracks your performance and progress.